In this video, you will learn how to replace the batteries on the Quantum MT RFID electronic lock. The equipment needed for this will be a screwdriver with a T20 Torx security bit and a new battery pack that can be ordered directly from Dormakaba. Now the batteries on this lock are located on the back housing inside the room. So let's turn this around. Remove the two screws that hold the back cover in place. I've already loosened the bottom one, and I'll proceed to remove the top one as well. And once that has been removed, we will slide the back cover over the door handle, making sure not to scratch the door handle. There we go. And we can see the battery pack sitting up here behind the clip. With the back cover removed, let's now unplug the battery wire from the main printed circuit board. That would be the white connector right there. Unplug it and remove the clip that holds the battery pack in place. And gently remove the battery pack and replace with a new one. I'm going to seat the battery pack right there. Make sure to route the battery wire in the lower left of the battery compartment and plug in the battery back into the circuit board. When I do so, let me just show you the front. When I plug in the battery pack, you will hear that sound and a blinking light, signaling that the lock is now energized. Then reattach the clip. And slide the back cover back in place, making sure that the thumb turn is pointed upwards. Make sure no wires are pinched in that process. Like so, and reattach the screws to hold that back cover in place correctly. For the sake of time, I will only screw in one of the screws, and the batteries have been changed successfully. Now, once the batteries are replaced, the batteries can last up to 2 years, and more importantly, the lock's programming information and internal audit records are not erased during battery replacement. Keys that worked previously will continue to work at the lock. Notice now, when a valid key is presented to the lock, a red light will blink along with the usual green lights. This indicates that a clock update is required to ensure that keys continue to work seamlessly and that the time of the audit records are accurate. For detailed instructions on how to update the time, please watch the clock update video in this video series. In this video, you'll learn how to replace the batteries on the Quantum MT RFID electronic lock. Thanks for watching.